Okay, it's Dane with DS Diving Service here at Anode 46. I did reclean the waterline of this pontoon, the catamaran. You can see bottom paint here is missing at the front. It is going to be a black in the matter of hours. There is some staining on the hull. I couldn't get rid of that. We will try that next time we get here. I have removed all the scum that we can get off. Again, you got areas here. There's no bottom paint, so that does not come off. There's bottom paint to come off. Let me swim it so that on a shadow of it out, we know it's clean. And then we can see what it looks like in 8 days. I think it's going to look the same as it did. Either that's going to be back there in 6 days where there was bottom paint. The areas where there's not bottom paint, can't do anything about it right back there. No bottom paint. No bottom paint. The majority of your bottom paint is in good shape. Just not those areas.